experimenting by creating Apple charger cables with anti-destructive properties. It was that time when people were suffering because of getting their charger cable damaged without any obvious reason, right? Because just of using wear and tear. Both grabbed this opportunity and upped their game by creating this indestructible charger, especially for Apple. This is how they first stepped into the market, with a unique product that solved the real problem of the customer. That was just the beginning of them entering the market, because then they started creating products like your headphones and earphones, and the product itself was so reliable that it could be worn out during your workouts and exercising as well. These products were able to get popular amongst the younger generation who were into fitness. The target audience from the beginning for both was focused on the youth who were into fitness. They made all the products keeping their target market and audience in mind. The demand of indestructible products was increasing day by day. They understood it and started developing it in their product houses. Plus, with various advertisements, they tried to capture the attention of their target audience. In terms of promotion and advertisements, to promote the durability of the product, both made advertisements where it can be seen that people are wearing these gadgets while doing intense workouts and jogging. This proves that the brand is trying to convey that particular USP to the audience. From the very first, Boat was founded on marketing, through digital marketing and social media. It took up many social media influencers to promote the product as well as their brand. Apart from that, various celebrity cricketers like Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer were also part of the group of celebrities that endorsed Boat. Not only that, even Bollywood stars like Kiara Advani, Kartik Aaryan and singer Neha Kakkar were present in the list of celebrities that Boat approached to influence on their product. They mainly focus on athletes for the promotion of their brand. Apart from all these, Boat has collaborated with the Lakme Fashion Week in 2019 and promoted its products there. Introduced itself as a lifestyle brand instead of an electronic company or brand altogether. With developing products such as smartphones, portable speakers, and other wearable gadgets, it has truly transformed itself into a lifestyle brand. These collaborations with different brands that are liked and followed by the youth are getting Boat's its audience. Recently, Boat has collaborated with Veera 91. The products of Boat can be seen in the music video. The pricing and quality of products is one of the best factors and one of the reasons that Boat as a brand has become such a success with its pricing strategy. Neither it is extremely overpriced nor it is unimaginably cheap. It is somewhere in the middle where the customer's sweet spot lies. The target audience of Boat's main is youth, so they find it perfect to invest in. Apart from that, even being affordable, Boat has taken special care of its quality. It hasn't compromised with it even a bit. The current revenue that Boat, as per 2021 financial year, is 1,511 crores. So in conclusion, it's been 6 years since Boat was founded, and within a little span, it was able to capture the world of electronic gadgets in a very mesmerizing way. It has established itself as one of the 5th largest brands of wearables in the world and the number 1 audio earwear brand in India, just in 6 years. By putting all the branding strategies properly and selecting their target audience carefully, Boat has achieved an immense level of success and is only going to get bigger and better in the future.